our new car. We have got our dad driving it. Here is the gear. Here is the TV. Yeah. This is an airbag. This is the footprint that we put our foot. We are gonna take that out later. We are gonna take this out later. Let's make some photos. Oh, that was some good photos. We have reached the petrol station. Hello.
तो आज हम आ चुके हैं नई गाड़ी में।
अरे नहीं, एंड मत करना,
नहीं कर रहे हैं। ये देखिए मेरी मम्मी है, हम पेट्रोल पंप में।
Say hi to my sister.
ये हमारे पापा है।
Stop speaking Hindi, speak English.
देखो यार, हाँ। तो देखिए कितना लग्जूरियस, इसमें टीवी भी है।
My sister speaks Hindi in the video because she doesn't know English. We are filling the petrol, I think. Oh no, there is a car in front of us. We need to wait. So, see you later. There is a market in this petrol station which is not open. We are in Indian Oil. This is so comforting. I escaped from there. You see this design? This is so cool. I don't know what to do. I have something to show you. This is where we do this. This is the fan.
नहीं करो बेटा,
This is the
अभी मत
AC.
करो।
This is the
जाओगी,
USB
चलाओ मत।
part, and this is this part. So you see, this is so futuristic. AC. There is an AC and also a fan. Why do I look so red? And why do my lips look so pink? I don't know. There is also the most backest seat. I think this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is a 7. This is a 7-seater. Again, this is old Noida, as you know. This is in India. Old Noida. We are in old Noida. I live in new Noida, near to Greater Noida. Hyder Park Society, Sector 78, Noida. And E Tower 5th floor.
फिर जाके करवाओगे फिर शाम को करवाओगे?
नहीं
पंडित ने करवा देंगे, फिर नहीं होंगे तो शाम को।
503 flat number. I think we are getting out of this. I don't think we are getting out finally. We are getting the bill right now. This is a 3-minute video. Now it is 4 minutes.
आज यूपीआई में दिक्कत आ रही ना?
I don't know how to make a video, but I'll try. I don't know how to do editing, but I'll try. Do you hear the fan? ASMR.
ग्रैंड बता रहा है, ऐसे तो ले रहा है वो।
There is an AC right here, up above
बंद
us,
करना AC चला
right here.
क्या बंद करते हैं?
We are at the road. 4 minutes video. That's good. It is almost 5 minutes.
जब तक नहीं रहेगी तब तक बड़ा डर
wasting 5 minutes of your life. 5 minutes are spent done. I think this is gonna be
थोड़ा दिन
a
अजीब लगता है
10
उसके बाद
minute video.
अच्छी लग रही है गाड़ी
1-2 महीने चला लोगे 15-20 दिन में चल जाएगी ना फिर
एक हफ्ते
I
की
don't think that we will try to do it again.
का धन्यवाद कर इतना तो मैं मौका मिला
Is my video is my videos better or my reels? I think video. Yeah. But in reels I do editing, and in this video I'm not doing editing because I don't know how to do editing. We are in sector 107 expressway in clean Noida.
गाड़ी
It says thanks for your visit. Why thanks for your visit when we have gone? The view is good, right?
लास्ट वाले कार में वो भी रही थी ये लास्ट
Yeah. I don't. Feeling cold. My hairstyle. My hairstyle.
ठीक से जाओगे ना तो
Yeah, like that.
अरे आप कैसे जाता वो शाम को
Why?
ये खाली
You
गाड़ी
know
तो
why
वैसे
we are
थोड़ा
dark?
डर
Because
नहीं
we
थोड़ा
are
बहुत रहता है ना अजीब सा
in
लगता है थोड़ा
tunnel.
आदत
No,
हो जाएगी कितनी
we
देर
are
से काटना है
gone
सब।
in a tunnel. You see that
मैं तो सही चलाऊंगा
tunnel?
बाकियों का देखना पड़ता है
You see that
ये
tunnel?
कहाँ जा रही है गाड़ी
सीएनजी की लाइन
I don't know what is happening.
सस्ती पड़ती है क्या सीएनजी
Oh my
सस्ती रहती है।
gosh.
खत्म भी तो हो जाती होगी गैस
Is
जल्दी
that a taxi
लाइन
or
में ना 10
something
लीटर आता है
else?
10 लीटर का तो मैंने वो लगी ट्रैफिक में और ज्यादा टाइम लग जाता है
If you don't know, my second teeth has broken.
जमीन से नीचे उड़
I don't know what is going on this side.
जमीन से ऊंचे
I
हो गए
don't
और
know.
इसमें जुड़ गए ऐसा लग रहा है।
I think there is a new teeth growing.
पापा ने कह रहे मैंने बोला डार्क ग्रे जाओगे या डार्क रेड
Yeah,
मैं रेड का
definitely.
नजर आ रहा
Why?
ब्लू तो बहुत सारी है इसलिए ब्लू नहीं थी मैंने
This car
तो
is
वैसे ही
so
बहुत सारी-
silent.
व्हाइट नहीं अच्छी लगती
You see this light?
आप भी
Yeah,
सीख लो
this light.
आप भी सीखने वाली
हाँ मैं सीखूंगी
This is so futuristic. It has been 8 minutes.